Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're totally mastering integer word problems. Let's jump right in. What do a freezing lab and an overdrawn bank account have in common?
Yep, negative numbers.
On a number line, positives go right for assets. Negatives, they head left, tracking debts and drops.
The golden rules? Same signs, you add them. Different signs, just subtract and keep the bigger sign.
So here's our two-step trick. First, identify your integers. Second, perform the correct operation. Easy. Let's see this in action with Anna, our scientist, and Shark, our bank customer.
Starting with Shaq, his account is overdrawn by 38 rupees. Plus, he got hit with a 20 rupee fee.
Step 1. Identify the integers. Debts are negative 38 and negative 20. His deposit, a positive 150.
Since those debts share the same negative sign, we add them. Total debt is negative 58 rupees.
Now for step 2, we combine his positive 150 rupee deposit with that negative 58 rupee debt. Different signs, right? So we subtract. Boom! Shayak's left with a positive 92 rupee balance.
Okay, let's check on Anna. She's researching bacteria survival in crazy, extreme freezing temperatures.
We identify two negative integers here, representing the ideal survival temperatures for her bacteria strains.
This shows a massive rule. Subtracting a negative actually means you're adding a positive.
Finding that difference gives us exactly a 25-degree temperature gap between the two bacteria strains.
Ready for a boss-level challenge? Let's track a submarine descending at 5 meters per minute.
It starts 20 meters above the water and plunges 250 meters below sea level. Identifying the integers, the absolute total distance that sub has to cover is 270 meters.
Performing our operation, we just divide that 270 meters by its 5 meter per minute descent rate. Do the math, and the answer is exactly 54 minutes to hit that target depth.
Remember, extract integers, then apply those sign rules. Hey, please subscribe to IntellectLM and like this explainer. Now that you can totally conquer abstract debts and depths, what real-world problem will you solve next?